Hi friends, recently we have visited to the magical world of Wonderfalls and Animal Kingdom near Mill Road, Bangalore. And seriously, this place feels like somebody mixed with jungle adventure and rainbow waterfall. First, the waterfalls. Not normal waterfalls. These are full fantasy style. Water dancing with lights, mist touching the face, cool breeze, total main character entry feeling. And then comes Animal Kingdom. So many giant animals everywhere. Lions looking at me seriously. Elephants are standing so proudly. Monkeys looking more energetic than Bangalore gym trainers. If you are in Bangalore and looking for a colorful evening outing with family and friends, then definitely visit this place near Mill Road. Trust me, your inner child will come out. If you really like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.